No, I'm the senior officer here, so I'll be running the incident. Okay, so you were asked to leave.
Right.
Are you refusing to leave?
If I refuse to leave,
you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Cops who enforce feelings instead of laws are ruining this country. This video is a perfect example of that. Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video comes to you by way of First Capital Transparency. He gets arrested in this video. Quick shout out to Lincoln Square Leonidas for sending me this channel to highlight. This is a short video, so make sure you stick around. We are in the year 2023, but these cops act like it's February in 1942 and everyone in this country is Japanese. When suspicion and fear force drastic policies to trump the constitutional rights of the people. These cops in this video are terrible at their job. They're enforcing feelings and arrest this man. Let's watch this quick civil rights violation. We'll give our final thoughts at the end of the video. Links to First Capital Transparency will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. He's out there conducting First Amendment audits. Those are the types of videos you guys love to see. So without further ado, here's your video, folks.
Hey man, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Good. What's going on?
I don't know. You'll have to ask the guy over there with the Santa hat.
Okay, they've asked you to leave, I heard. So.
Oh, they asked me to stop recording.
Okay. So I guess they're asking you to leave now too. So we just go step outside and we'll talk there.
I'd rather stay in here, like where it's warmer, like maybe in a corner or something.
Okay. So they don't want you to actually be here, so they want you to leave.
Right, but did I do something wrong?
They just don't want you to be here.
Yeah, but did I do something wrong?
Well, how about we start with getting your license?
I don't have any ID on me.
You don't have any ID?
No.
So let's step outside and we can talk.
Case and Valverde. Valverde, sorry about that.
So let's stay outside. They can go walk outside and we'll talk out there.
I'd rather stay in here.
No, but that's not what they want. So.
But what about what I want? They're infringing on my rights in here.
Okay. Well, they want you to stay outside.
But I want. The reason why I'm saying this is because apparently I'm bothering them, and I don't know if this is going against their policy, but it's infringing on my right.
You just said it. You're bothering them, so they want you to leave.
But you're law enforcement, right? You're not feelings police.
How you doing?
Officer Alexander.
Good.
Is one of you a supervisor? I don't believe so.
No. I'm the senior officer here, so I'll be running the incident. Okay, so you were asked to leave.
Right.
Are you refusing to leave?
If I refuse to leave,
you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Okay, that's all I need to hear.
Okay, so you're leaving?
Yep, I am leaving.
All right, let's go.
That's all I needed to know.
All right, fantastic.
So from here on out, just make sure I get your name. What's your badge number? Since
83.
Since you'll be named on the litigations. Thank you very much.
Litigations?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.
Thank you very much.
All right, yeah. We also need to get your ID.
I don't have any ID on me.
Oh, and that's not a problem at all, sir.
And
can I grab your name then?
No, because that'd be an infringement on my Fourth Amendment right.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, then, if you're refusing to identify yourself, you're going to come with us.
Where? You mean, am I going to be arrested for
that?
Okay. Well, then under duress.
It is extremely costly to throw cops out on the streets without knowing that people have natural rights, because cops violate people's civil rights daily. And we're filling up the courtrooms for non-crimes. Imagine the list of people that need to be paid because a cop screws up. We have the clerks, the judges, district attorneys, public defenders, and much, much more, folks. This is an unsustainable system for the people. But what happens is government just keeps growing bigger and bigger because nobody in government seems to know how to do their damn job. These cops clearly violated this man's rights. First and foremost, he's allowed to be in the library. And just because a librarian has feelings and don't want him in there recording, the cops think that they can trespass this man. They were wrong. Secondly, failure to identify is a secondary charge. Even if this man was being trespassed from, let's say, a private property, cops still have to allow this man to leave. If he comes back, that's when they can demand ID. Mistake after mistake is what's ruining this country, folks. Cops not knowing the First Amendment of the Constitution and the oath that they swear to in order to get that job has become a bigger problem than we could possibly even imagine. Billions of dollars are being spent to operate courthouses from sea to shining sea, and nobody is doing anything about it in government to try to fix the problem. We the people have no choice but to change things, educate each other, help each other grow, teach each other our rights, and together we can teach government how to do their jobs properly. We the people are sick and tired of this, folks. If government's not going to change and do their jobs correctly, we have no choice but to challenge them with everything that we got. Right now, we are in a peaceful non-compliance. All we're using is cameras and social media to highlight what's happening. The patterns don't lie. The people are pissed, and the government is running around like an untouchable mafia. That's why I like to help channels grow, because we the people demand transparency. You guys go subscribe to First Capital Transparency's channel. Let him know that I sent you. Let's go show him some support, and let's show these cops that we the people are paying attention, and we're going to hold them accountable. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to my channel. We bring you all the new First Amendment auditing channels. This is where you'll find them, folks. If you have videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. All right, folks, have yourselves a blessed day. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.